Hello, my dear lovely friends, my beautiful viewers, and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Amber Beauty Fashion. So, dear friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Ameen. So my dear lovely friends, today's video is very great designing ideas. And today I am showing our all-hit trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish and most trendy and highly demanding pixie bob haircut hairstyles. So dear friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find an all trendy ideas in our videos. So you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So dear friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. So dear friends, I will try my best to show all new ideas. So you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. So you can get ideas. Dear friends, take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous ideas. We will be right back. Bye bye.